Welcome. Today we're diving into a handy feature on Instagram that allows you to unsend stickers from group chats, especially after the latest update. If you've ever sent a sticker that you regretted, don't worry, it's easy to fix. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your messages. Once you're in, look for the messages icon located in the left menu. This icon resembles an envelope and is your gateway to all your conversations. Next, click on the messages icon. This will take you to your inbox, where you can see all your recent chats. Now, find the group chat where you sent the sticker you want to unsend. Click on that chat to open it. Once you're in the group chat, scroll through the conversation until you locate the sticker message you wish to remove. Next to this message, you'll see 3 dots. This is your options menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more actions. After clicking the dots, look for the option that says Unsend. This is the key step. Once you click on Unsend, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Confirm this action, and just like that, the sticker will be removed from the chat. Remember, when you unsend a sticker or any message on Instagram, it disappears from both your view and everyone else's in the group chat. However, keep in mind that if someone has already seen it before you unsent it, they might still remember what was sent. To recap: 1. Open Instagram on your PC. 2. Click on the messages icon in the left menu. 3. Open the group chat where you sent the sticker. 4. Find the sticker message and click on the 3 dots next to it. Click Unsend and confirm your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully unsent a sticker from a group chat on Instagram using your PC. This feature is a great way to maintain control over what you've shared and ensure that your conversations stay just how you want them. Happy chatting!